Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add your industry on LinkedIn using your PC after the new update. This is a crucial step to ensure your profile accurately reflects your professional field and helps you connect with the right people and opportunities. So let's get started. First, fire up your computer and open linkedin.com in your favorite web browser. Once the page is fully loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a Me icon there. It's usually a small profile picture or a generic silhouette if you haven't uploaded one yet. Go ahead and click on that icon. Clicking the Me icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, we're going to access your account settings. Look for Settings and Privacy in the list and click it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, you'll want to find Account Preferences. It is located near the top of the page. Clicking on it will reveal several options related to your account details and preferences. Now, under Profile Information, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to edit exactly what it says: your name, your location, and most importantly for our task today, your industry. You'll now see the Industry field. Add or modify your industry to accurately reflect your current professional field. LinkedIn provides a drop-down list of industries to choose from, so start typing and select the one that best fits your role. Being specific here can really help recruiters and other professionals find you when they're looking for someone with your expertise. Once you've selected the correct industry, the final step is simple but essential. Click Save. This ensures that your changes are applied and visible on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your industry on LinkedIn. Keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is super important for making the right connections. Adding your industry helps potential employers understand your role in the project and the steps involved to complete it. It also helps potential employers and recruiters see you have the qualifications. By following these steps, you ensure that your profile accurately represents your professional identity, making it easier for others in your field to find you and for you to discover relevant opportunities.